Hello everyone. So the next problem in this series is two cylinders of their radius is in the ratio 3:5 and their heights is in the ratio 10:9. Find the volumes of the ratio. So here we have been given that the two cylinders are their ratio of radius is 3:5 and their height ratio is 10:9. We need to find the volume of the cylinders and their ratio. So we know that volume of cylinder is pi r square h. This is the formula. So here the ratio of volume will be pi r square h is to pi r square h. This is the ratio. Now here pi are same, so we will not consider pi. So this will be r square h is to r square h. So in the first case r is, so we can cancel here r square also, so we'll consider only r is to h. So here we can consider RH is to RH. We have not taken the square part. So r here in the first case, or we can keep r square h also. So the first case it is r is 3 into 3 and h is 5. And this is, in the first case it is 3 into 3, that is r square, and h is 10. And in the second case it is 5 into 5 and h is 9. So this becomes 9 into 10 is to 225. That is 90 is to 225, which is equal to 2 is to 5. Therefore we can say that the ratio of their volumes is 2 is to 5, which is the solution for the given problem. Thank you.